Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I pointed out the strong resistance around 120,000 and mentioned how the price failed to break it after several attempts. I also said I'd be closing parts of my position during a dip, which I did, closing 1/3 of my trades that I had scaled from 115 to 117.2, with an average close around 118.1. From there, I scaled into the other two positions and waited. Toward the end of the day, a signal on the 1-hour chart flashed at 117.9, but the price looked weak and hovered between 118.4 and 117.4 for most of the time. Eventually, another green dot pushed the price from the lows at 117.4 up by 1.13% to 118.7, and it is still climbing. It was risky, but keeping some exposure on the table was a solid decision. What's interesting is that bears were shorting aggressively all the way down from 119.8 to the 117 zone, which might just fuel another attempt at breaking the 120 mark soon. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we see that after dipping into lower bull leverage clusters around 117.4, the bears started piling on massive short pressure with roughly 50x leverage. This has now turned the 120 level into the hottest cluster on the entire map. And guess where we're heading now? Same story on the weekly map. 119,950 is still glowing, and the price seems to be magnetized toward it. I expect a test of this level by Tuesday, or at the latest early this week. ETF inflows this Monday were strong, despite the soft downward movement we saw intraday. Total inflows hit 157.1 million, with BlackRock leading at 147.4 million. ARK and Bitwise were net sellers today. A tweet is also circulating again from earlier this year, where BlackRock said, "If every millionaire in the US asked their advisor for just one Bitcoin, there wouldn't be enough to go around." That perspective is being proven right now as inflows continue showing strength and steady demand. I'll continue updating you every day. Join our free Discord to stay in sync with my market observations in real time. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on. And see you in the next one.